Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. I am making a prosciutto, Havarti and egg sandwich, and it is the perfect combination of bread, cheese, ham and egg. And for that you need really good ingredients. You need a really good ciabatta roll, the Havarti cheese, 3 slices of prosciutto, a little bit of mayo and the egg. While I'm cutting while I'm cutting the bread, I have the prosciutto already in the microwave, ready to go. We're gonna cook that for 1 minute when we are cooking the egg because we wanna assemble that when it's hot. And I usually put the egg in a ramekin just in case the egg is not good. Then you didn't waste it, and then you don't have to wash a pan or anything else. So it's better to do it that way because sometimes the eggs could be bad. So once we put the mayo on the bread, we're gonna fry the egg on a little bit of olive oil for about 1 minute. While that is going on, you want to put the microwave for 1 minute as well. You can start the microwave, then we turn over the egg, we poke the egg and press so that the yolk is cooked as well. And that's gonna take only about 30 seconds. Remember that the pan is really hot, it's on medium heat. So once we put the cheese, we turn off the stove and we move the pan away from the heat. Put it on the counter, put it somewhere else because you don't want it overcooked. Now we're going to assemble the sandwich. We put the prosciutto first, then we add the cheese and the egg. Cut it, eat it, and it's done. Thank you for the likes. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you for watching. Share on social media. And that's it. It's absolutely perfect. Really, really good combination. You have to try it and let me know in the comments what you think. Chaito.